The Port of Melbourne is a hive of activity, constantly buzzing with the movement of ships, cranes, and containers. It's Australia's largest container and general cargo port, playing a crucial role in the nation's logistics and trade networks. The port handles millions of containers every year, efficiently managing the flow of goods in and out of the country. It's a vital gateway for trade, connecting Australia to markets around the world and ensuring the smooth transit of imports and exports. The port supports thousands of jobs across Australia, from dock workers to logistics managers, contributing to the livelihoods of many families. It contributes billions of dollars to the national economy, driving growth and prosperity through its extensive operations and trade activities. From cars to clothes, electronics to machinery, the port handles a vast range of goods, showcasing its versatility and capacity. It's a critical link in Australia's supply chains, ensuring that products reach their destinations efficiently and on time, supporting businesses and consumers alike. The Port of Melbourne has a rich history. It started as a small settlement on the Yarra River in the 1800s. The gold rush fueled its early growth. Over time, the port expanded and modernized. Today, the port spans over 26 kilometers of waterfront. It features modern container terminals and advanced infrastructure. The port has constantly adapted to meet the demands of a growing nation. In recent years, the port faced growing pains. Container volumes surged, leading to congestion. Trucks clogged the roads, causing delays and pollution. The port needed a solution to handle future growth sustainably. The reliance on road transport was unsustainable. It strained infrastructure and increased emissions. A shift towards rail freight became crucial. This shift would improve efficiency and reduce the environmental impact. Getting on track, the Port Rail Transformation Project. The Port Rail Transformation Project is a game changer. This ambitious initiative aims to revolutionize the way goods are transported to and from the Port of Melbourne, one of the busiest ports in the Southern Hemisphere. By enhancing the rail infrastructure, the project seeks to create a more efficient and sustainable logistics network. It's a major infrastructure project, improving rail connectivity to the port. The new rail lines will seamlessly integrate with the existing network, allowing for smoother and faster movement of freight. This will not only benefit the port but also the entire supply chain, reducing delays and increasing reliability. The project involves building new rail lines and upgrading existing ones. These upgrades are essential to handle the increasing volume of goods passing through the port. Modernizing the rail infrastructure will ensure that the port remains competitive and can meet future demands. The goal is to shift more freight from road to rail. This shift is crucial for reducing the environmental impact of freight transport. Rail is a more energy-efficient mode of transport compared to road, and it can carry larger volumes of goods in a single trip. This will reduce truck traffic and ease congestion. Fewer trucks on the road mean less wear and tear on the infrastructure, leading to lower maintenance costs and fewer traffic jams. It will also make the roads safer for other users. It will also lower greenhouse gas emissions and improve air quality. By reducing the number of trucks on the road, the project will help decrease the carbon footprint of freight transport. Cleaner air will benefit the health of the local community and contribute to global efforts to combat climate change. The project is a significant investment in the port's future. It represents a commitment to sustainable development and economic growth. By modernizing the port's infrastructure, we are ensuring that it remains a vital hub for international trade for years to come. Innovation for efficiency and sustainability. The Port of Melbourne embraces innovation. It uses technology to optimize operations and reduce its environmental footprint. Automated cranes and driverless vehicles improve efficiency and safety. The port invests in renewable energy sources. Solar panels on terminal roofs generate clean electricity. The port also promotes energy-efficient equipment and practices. These initiatives reduce its carbon emissions. A greener future for the Port of Melbourne. The Port of Melbourne is committed to sustainability. This commitment is evident in every aspect of its operations, from the way it handles cargo to the initiatives it has put in place to reduce its carbon footprint. The port is not just a hub for trade, it is a beacon of environmental responsibility. The Port Rail Transformation Project is a testament to that commitment. This ambitious project aims to shift a significant portion of freight transport from road to rail, thereby reducing traffic congestion and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. The new rail infrastructure is designed to be efficient and sustainable, ensuring that the port can handle increasing volumes of cargo without compromising on its environmental goals. By shifting freight to rail, the port is reducing its environmental impact. This move not only cuts down on emissions but also minimizes the wear and tear on local roads, leading to longer-lasting infrastructure and less maintenance. The benefits of this shift are far-reaching, impacting not just the port, but the entire community. The port's use of technology and innovation further supports this goal. Advanced systems for cargo handling, energy-efficient equipment, and smart logistics solutions are all part of the port's strategy to become more sustainable. These technologies not only improve operational efficiency, but also significantly reduce the port's carbon footprint. The Port of Melbourne is transforming itself. Ongoing development and modernization projects are focused on creating a greener, more efficient port. These projects include the construction of new facilities that meet the highest environmental standards, and the retrofitting of existing structures to make them more energy efficient. It aims to be a global leader in sustainable port operations. By setting high standards and continuously striving for improvement, the Port of Melbourne is paving the way for a more sustainable future in the maritime industry. Its efforts are not just about compliance but about leading by example and inspiring other ports around the world to follow suit.